drama application here, and as you can see, quite a lot of drama series which you can watch on this application. And you have the trending section, you have the ones that you may like. As you can see here, you can see a lot of them which you can also watch. You can go at the top of the screen here and pretty much search for what you want. I won't be able to show you guys because due to their privacy policy, it blurs out the recording. So I won't be able to show you guys in the episode section, but you get the drift. So here you'll be able to select what you want to watch and so forth. So in the My List section here, this is pretty much here we're gonna see all the history. The history section in the My List section is pretty much different. These are the favorite lists or music, the drama videos or drama series you have added to your favorite list. In the history section here, you'll be seeing all the drama movies that I've watched. And if you don't tap on the star icon here, it will be added to your favorite list. So that's really pretty much it. And in the profile section here, this is where you go to get your coins, guys. You're going to need coins for this application here to unlock some of the episodes. So some of the episodes cost around 50 to 100 coins. So you're going to need coins for some of these episodes. So not all episodes are for free. I think some of the drama movies give you up to 5 to 10 episodes for free. The rest of them, you're going to need coins to unlock them. So if I do tap on the coins option here, I'll be able to go in the purchase section here and go ahead and purchase coins. So as you can see here, this is pretty much the price of the coins. You do get a 500 coins or $5 and so forth. So episodes are for like 50 to 100 coins, as I said before. Not very expensive, but do considering the amount of coins you're gonna need. And there's a lot of episodes, guys. So in the settings option here, nothing much, just the notification and so forth. So very, very easy to use, very straightforward, and the drama episodes or drama series are very nice. I'm not gonna lie, they're gonna capture you. So that's really pretty much it. If I missed anything at all, just comment below and let me know. See you in the next one.